Hello, in this video I will show you how you can remove SIM card from your OPPO A5. So take your OPPO A5 and here you can locate the SIM card slots. So now you have to take SIM eject tool which comes inside OPPO A5 box and take it and put it inside this small hole over here. So do it like that and it should click like that. So now take this slot and very carefully take it off. It's very easy to break, so you have to do it gently. And now you can find here your SIM card. So you just simply have to take it off like that. And now take your OPPO A5 again and place SIM card slot inside. So basically that's all. That was short video for removing SIM card from your OPPO A5. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.